Hello everybody, welcome back. So in today's video I want to show you how I style my hair in one of the easiest hairstyles that I've ever done. You can wear this hairstyle every single day and it's actually a good protective hairstyle. So what I'm doing first is spritzing my hair with water so that I can be able to fluff out my hair. My hair has been in twist in such a long time. It's been forever, guys. Get this, guys. I finally found a solution to my scalp problems. I've been going crazy, especially when it comes to my scalp because of the dandruffs that I was having, but I finally fixed it. And I am going to make a video on that. So stick around. It's coming in the next video. So all I'm doing here is just parting my hair. I'm using the white tooth comb and this wooden comb. The wooden comb helps in making precise sections, and look at that scalp, guys. Look at it. Looks amazing. So I'm going to put that aside and then start working on the other section, spritzing my hair with water again, fluffing out the hair, and then using a shoelace to tie it. So you need to be very careful, especially when it comes to this. You need to make sure that your hair is well moisturized before styling it in this kind of hairstyle, and you need to avoid pulling your hair too tight because this is going to cause breakage if you're not careful. But if you're careful, it's a really good protective style. So when it comes to the front section, spritzing my hair again with water, detangling just a little bit so that I can be able to put it in a loose flat twist. So if you're interested in a tutorial on how to flat twist your hair or how to cornrow your hair, kindly comment down below and tell me whichever tutorial you want me to do when it comes to hair. Kindly just tell me and I will do that for you. So I'm just doing a loose flat twist, making sure that it's not too tight. You need to protect your edges, and I like it when it looks a little bit big. Yeah, so that's why I'm doing it loosely. If you don't want it to be too big, you can just put the section can be a little bit smaller, or maybe you can do it a little bit, just a little bit tighter than I am doing it. Then I pin that to the side and that's it. So this is the final look, guys. It's very easy. You can accessorize this if you want to. You can actually tuck the ends in. You do not have to leave it out. So this is part of my hair diary series where I share with you everything that I am doing to my hair, what's working for me, what's not, and my goal is to reach to waist length. So if that's what you want, kindly join me and let's do this together. So tell me what you think about this hairstyle. Do you like it? Would you try it out? And yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.